In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Chrome's bookmarks with your phone. A seamless browsing experience across devices can save you time and make your online activities much more efficient. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure that your bookmarks on Google Chrome mirror each other, whether you're using your desktop or your phone. First things first, open up Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, you'll notice an icon consisting of 3 vertical dots. This is commonly referred to as the More menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to navigate to the Settings option. Once you're in the Settings area, look for the section that says You and Google. Under this section, you'll find another option called Sync and Google Services. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to sync and personalization settings. Next, if syncing is not already enabled, you'll need to click on Turn on Sync. Chrome will prompt you to sign in with your Google account. It's crucial here to make sure that you sign in with the same Google account that's linked to the Chrome browser on your phone. This is how Chrome knows what data to sync between your devices. Once you've signed in and syncing is activated, you might notice several sync options available. To ensure that your bookmarks are being synchronized, search for the option that says Manage What You Sync. This allows you more control over what specific types of data, like passwords, history, or in this case, bookmarks, you want to keep identical across your devices. Make sure that Bookmarks is selected by checking the corresponding box. And that's it. By following these steps, your bookmarks in Google Chrome should now sync automatically with your phone. This means that any page you save on your desktop will be available whenever you're browsing on the go, and vice versa. Remember that syncing your bookmarks not only improves convenience, but also provides an additional layer of backup for your saved sites. It's like having a personal library that is constantly updated no matter where you are viewing it from. Additionally, if you encounter any issues, ensure that your Google Chrome app on your phone is updated to the latest version, as this can sometimes affect the sync functionality. With everything set up, enjoy a more streamlined and efficient browsing experience, knowing all your favorite sites are only a click or a tap away, regardless of the device you're using.